multiplying and dividing integers. In this video, we're going to look at how to both multiply and divide integers. First, you need to know what an integer is. An integer is a whole number. It can either be positive or negative. For example, 15, 56, and 270 are all integers. 2.5, 35.6, and 4,389.32 are not integers. Let's get some examples. Okay, so our first example is 6 times negative 4. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to do the question as if you're just doing 6 times 4. So the answer is obviously 24. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to convert it. So here's a good way to know. So you're going to make a little chart, looks like this. And then, so you're going to make it into 4 parts, and you're going to make a little pattern like this on it, and with positive and negative symbols, like this. So you can see, over here, we have the positive numbers here, we got the negative numbers here, alright? So now, you're going to use this chart almost like a multiplication chart. So as you can see, this right here, this number on this side is a positive number. The number on this side is a negative number. So it shows right here that both a positive and the negative number create a negative number. So now we know the answer to this question is negative 24. That better way to remember this is if it's a different symbol, like positive and negative, then it's going to be a negative. The same symbol is going to be a positive. Okay, so let's move on to our second example. So our second example is negative 105 divided by 5. So first we're going to do the question as if we're doing 105 divided by 5. Okay, so the answer is 21. So now you're going to convert it. So we're going to look at the original question. On this side, it's negative 105, and on this side, it's 5. So because they're different symbols, the answer is obviously going to be a negative number. So because of that, the answer to this question is negative 21. In our next example, we'll be using 2 negative numbers. So the question for the third example is negative 72 divided by negative 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to answer the question as if you're doing 72 divided by 3. So the answer to that question is 24. So now what you're going to do is you're going to convert it. So since both sides is a negative number, which is the same symbol on both sides, the answer is obviously going to be a positive number, so you don't have to change the answer. And the answer is positive 24. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.